All right, let's see how we can use RGuroo to find the 5 number summaries, which are the mean, not the mean, which are the minimum Q1, the median Q3, and the maximum, and how we can use RGuroo to create a box plot. So I have a data set here that is called hospital days. It's the days of stay at a hospital from a problem from your homework system with Newton. So the first thing that I will always suggest you do is to check if the variable that we're working with, it is if it's numerical, because we need it to be numerical to be able to find those values and create a box plot. So if we click in this in here, let me just close. If we click here where it says variable properties, add rows and variables, if you click on variable properties, you click on the variable that the only variable that we have, and we see here that it's numerical, so we're good to go. So I'm going to close this. To find the 5 number summary, which includes again the minimum, the quartiles Q1 and Q3, the median and the maximum, we go to analytics. From there, we go to analysis and we open up the menu and we go all the way down to the numerical summaries. Right? RGuroo always function the same way. It needs to know what is the data set that you're using. And it also needs to know what variable we are using. So in this space, we need to always have a variable. So this is my variable, the hospital length of stay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to drag it to the selected, or you can select it and then click on the blue arrow to move it to the right. Once we do that, we click here where it says univariate, and we're going to choose the measurements that we want: minimum, Q1, medium, Q3, maximum. Once we are done, we click the blue eye. All right, just as a reminder here and connection with other things that we have done using RGuroo, here is where the mean and the mode are also are, and we will continue using this to find other measures. Right, so that's how you find the 5 number summary. Now let's use the same data set to create a box plot or a box and whisker. So to create the box and whisker, we go to the plots, we open the options, and we open the second one, which is the box plots. Again, same as before, we select our data set, we move our variable to the area where we let RGuroo know which is the variable to be used, and we click the blue eye, right? This is vertical. If it's easy for you to see it horizontal just because the order of the numbers, you can click in here where it says horizontal, and then it will change the shape of it. Now you have your numbers from 1 to 9 on the horizontal axis, and then you have your box plot, okay? Once I have this box plot here, I can see that we have an outlier to the left, and I can see where the whiskers finished. To find possible outliers by hand, just make sure that you look at the PowerPoints where the formulas are. But other than that, that's all you do in here to find or to draw a box plot using RGuroo, or how you find the numerical summaries for the minimum Q1, median Q3, and the maximum, just to summarize your quant numerical variable.